Hey babes, my name is Wynne Jean. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're not, then welcome back, girl. How you doing? Today I'm going to show you guys how I got these gorgeous goddess locks that I'm super obsessed with, and it only took 2.5 hours. Today's video is sponsored by ShakeNGo. They came out with these new Hipsta locks with their new WrapNLock technology, which is perfect if you're into individual crochet because you can install your locks without any extra hair. I'm really excited to show you guys this hair. I'm using color 1B, but they also come in 1B30. So without further ado, if you want to see how I did it, then let's get into the video.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
I'm starting out with clean and moisturized hair. I actually just finished wearing my hair in a braid out. I'm starting by parting my hair into sections and braiding it. I like to go ahead and get that out of the way first. So I like to add a bit of shea butter to each section, then I go ahead and part my hair into the sections that I'll be using later for my locks. As you can see here, I'm leaving a little bit of my hair out in the back. I think that it gives it a more natural look, so I like to just define my natural curls in the back, but feel free to twist or braid all of your hair up. So I've broken this row into 3 sections, and I'm going ahead and braiding it down about 1 inch or so, and then I'm going to twist it down the rest of the way. But feel free to install braids the entire way down or twist the entire way down. It's completely up to you. When I have a little bit more time, I'll do braids because they last longer, but if I'm in a rush like I am today, then I'll just go ahead and use twists. I love preparing my hair like this because it's perfect for any style, and I can actually keep my hair in these twists, wash them, condition them, and continue to install styles on top of them. So it's perfect for me because I switch my hair up so often. And that's also why I like to use shea butter to moisturize. I find that the shea butter really coats the hair and moisturizes it and stays put. When I take my hair down, it's still moisturized. When I use other moisturizers, by the time I take my hair down, I feel like my hair has soaked it all up. So shea butter is my personal favorite. As you can see, I'm on my last section, and once I'm done with this, we can go ahead and start to install the locks on top of our twists. I have about 57 twists total, which means I'll be using about 57 locks total. So this way also you can make sure you have enough hair before you even start. So I've already went ahead and installed most of the locks. I have a couple left so I can show you. I wanted to get the hang of it before I was going out giving tutorials and such, girl. And I'm going to show you how I installed the rest of the locks on my head. These are the locks. I love them so much. It's brilliant. So you have a traditional crochet lock with the loop, and then it also has this little piece of Afro kinky hair that's attached to it. And what you do is that you install it like a regular individual crochet lock, and then you use the little curly hair to wrap your hair and make sure that it stays. So rather than you splitting the lock open or having any additional hair, everything you need is on the lock, and they can also be installed regularly as crochet locks as well. But for today, I'm going to crochet the lock through the root with my little crochet needle. I grab the loop and pull it through, and then I put my needle back through the loop and grab my twist or braid, and then I pull that through the loop. And now the lock is secure at the base. I just clipped a little afro hair out of the way to make sure that it's not like getting wrapped up and everything, and then I'm going to open up the lock and wrap it around my twist as you would do with any other individual crochet install. And I'm making sure that my twist is hidden all the way down to the end. And once I'm done, I kind of just stretch everything out and make sure it's in place. Now I grab the little curly piece and I'm twisting it around the base a few times first, and then I begin to twist down the length of the lock. And what this does is just holds everything in place, and it also gives it a bit of texture, which I really love. And I just wrap it until it's no more hair to wrap, and then it's pretty secure. How cute is that? How quick was it? I'm going to show you guys one more time just so you can get the hang of it. Hey boos, it's Wynne popping in, and I wanted to do a little surprise giveaway for my subscribers who actually watched the whole video. Don't tell nobody, okay? This is just for you. To enter the giveaway, comment down below your Instagram name. Make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram if you want to enter the giveaway and win 4 packs of this hair, which is exactly what I used. And I'm gonna pick one of you and announce it in my next video. So make sure you stay tuned because I love you guys and I wanna do a little cute stuff. So it's a secret, don't tell nobody. All right, back to the video. I'm putting my crochet needle through the base of my twist, grabbing the loop on the crochet lock and pulling that through the base of my twist. And then I'm grabbing my twist and pulling that through the loop on the crochet knot. And now everything is pretty secure, especially once you tighten it a bit. I'm gonna just clip the little piece of curly hair out of the way and then continue to open up and twist the crochet lock around my twist, all the way down to the end. Now, if you have shorter hair, this may be even easier, but because my hair is pretty long, I have to cover it all the way down. So just do this until it's covering your twist or your hair. And as you can see, I'm kind of opening it and then wrapping it around so that you make sure you're not twisting it, but you're actually wrapping the lock around your hair. And then I'm grabbing the curly hair and proceeding to just twist it around the base of the lock all the way down until it's no more hair left. And that's how you secure the lock. I love that the locks actually have a bit of curl to them as well. It really adds to the look. It makes it look really natural and textured. It's so pretty. And if you wanted to, you can dip the ends and make them straight, which I may do later on. But yeah, this is the final look. They are so pretty, and the 18-inch falls at a really cute place. They're about waist length, but if you'd like, I'm sure you can trim them. And they're super lightweight. I really love these locks. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Make sure to like this video if you like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, babes.